Dear students, this is a part second of this chapter. Here in this lecture we are going to discuss some important topics like the magnetic field produced by a straight current carrying conductor and the magnetic field produced by a circular loop carrying current. So here we will start with the magnetic field due to a current through a straight conductor. When a current is passed through a straight current carrying conductor, the current through the wire produces a magnetic field. The shape of the magnetic field around the straight conductor is in the form of concentric circles. That means these concentric circles become larger as we move away from the wire. It was found that the magnetic field lines are in the form of concentric circles near the conductor, and these lines tend to be elliptical due to the combined effect of Earth's magnetic field and the field produced by the conductor. And the direction of magnetic field lines, they reverse with the reversal of direction of the current. So if the current in the conductor is reversed, the direction of magnetic field also gets reversed. The increasing of the strength of the current in the conductor results in the increasing in the magnetic field. It is also found that the magnetic field at a point decreases with the increase in the distance from the conductor. So larger the distance from the conductor, lesser would be the magnetic field. Now coming to second topic, that is magnetic field due to a current through a circular loop. So here we have a circular loop. When current is passed through a circular conductor, the magnetic field produced is in the form of concentric circles around the conductor. But it is found that towards the center, the arcs of the circle become larger and appear as straight lines. So here we see that by applying the right hand thumb rule, it is clear that in the two arms of the loop, when the current gets reversed, the magnetic lines of field also reverse their direction. So here we have the magnetic field lines near circular at the points where the current enters or leaves the loop. The magnetic field lines are in the same direction within the space that is enclosed by this loop. Near the center of the coil, the magnetic lines of force are almost parallel to each other. That means the magnetic field near the center of the coil is considered to be uniform. At the center of the coil, the plane of the magnetic field lines is at the right angles to the plane of the coil. If So this is all about magnetic field due to a current in a circular loop. Now we will see what is the magnetic field within a solenoid. What is a solenoid? A solenoid is actually a coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire that is wrapped closely in a shape of a cylinder. This cylindrical shaped insulated wire is known as solenoid. Current is passed through a solenoid, it produces magnetic field, and the pattern of the magnetic field lines around this solenoid is similar to that of a bar magnet. One end of the solenoid, due to the passing of electric current in different direction, behaves as north pole, whereas another end behaves as south pole. So here we have the diagram of a solenoid that is made up of copper wire.